Hi, it's Linda here from Seagull Studio Vacation Suite, and I just wanted to give you a little tour to show you what's inside this magical oasis. Come, follow me. We'll take the tour. Okay, so now we've arrived at Seagull Studio, so let's see what there is to explore. As soon as you arrive at the top of the stairs, you will notice that there's an info center, and this is where we have information on Sooke and all of the things to do in and around Sooke, as well as lots of reading material if you so choose to just relax and check off those books that you had on your to-do list. On the other side at the top of the stairs, we have a utility room, and inside our utility room, this is where we have our complimentary bathrobes. We also have our recycling station, and of course we have wraps if you choose to go outside and sit around the patio. In the evening it gets chilly. We also have toaster, blender, we have water bottles, complimentary for you to use as opposed to using the plastic ones. And we have first aid kit, fire extinguisher, crock pot, picnic basket if you'd like to go for a picnic on one of our many beaches, microwave, blender, and popcorn maker, and a games. So if you just want to have some fun and relax at the end of the day and play cards, we've got them for you. In the kitchen, we have our coffee station, tea station with complimentary teas and coffee. We also have a dishwasher because when you're on holidays, who wants to do dishes? We have a large sink and a great counter space where you can just create some amazing dishes. And I love this space because it really allows you to get a lot of work done. And we also have a full-size fridge in this space, which is really helpful when you're bringing all your groceries in. On the other side of the kitchen area is our living room area. And here we are flanked by two comfy wingback chairs and a gas fireplace. All you do to start the fireplace is push a button. Easy peasy. The TV has numerous stations and Netflix, and if you want to watch the news, listen to music, because we have the music channel as well, please do. This is your time to relax. Or you can just lounge on the love seat and get comfy and just watch your favorite movie. On the other side, we have our daybed. Now, our daybed faces east. The sun pours in here first thing in the morning, and we have all the linens and blankets for the daybed for our third person. If you choose, you can use this as a reading center or just relaxing. Totally your call. Beside the daybed area is our workstation. We have our charging center there to charge all your tech, so it makes it very easy. Coming to the washroom, we've got great storage here. Something I was really important for me when we were building this suite is that there's lots of room to put all of your toiletries. We provide plush towels, we've got great natural lighting, and we also have this wonderful rain head, shower head, which I love, and also the handheld wand, which makes it really easy when you've come in after a day of hiking. Of course, there are complimentary shampoos and body lotion and things like that, but we just want you to have a great time when you're here. In the linen closet just outside of the washroom, we have additional pillows, beach towels, and extra linens for the kitchen. So this is where you can come to get any of those. When we go into our bedroom, it's a queen size bed with numerous pillows, and we provide Pima cotton sheets, which are so comfortable to sleep on. Also, each side of the bed, there is a table with its own lamp so that you can read at the end of the day or check your email, whatever, or work in bed. We also have a tech center just below the mirror for charging any of your devices. And we also provide an armoire where you can hang your garments or put all of your pillows at the end of the day. And there are 2 additional chairs there if you have guests. So I just hope that this was helpful in letting you see what Seagull Studio is all about. And I look forward to meeting you really soon. Take good care. Ciao.